Good morning, one and all. I am Justin. I am from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College, currently doing my third year in BMS Marketing. So today, me and my friends are going to present a presentation on the topic online advertisement. So let's go.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniruddha Santosh Jadhav. I am from EYBMS Marketing and from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College.
My name is Yuvraj Omrad Birajdan. I am from TYBMS Marketing Department, Jnana Sadhana College.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Aswale and I am from TYBMS Marketing Department from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College.
My name is Sunny Ravindra Sonale. I am from Satish Pradhan Jnana Sadhana College. I am doing my third year in BMS Marketing.
Online advertising. What is online advertising? Online advertising is a form of marketing and advertising which use the internet to deliver promotional marketing message to the customers. Many consumers find online advertising disruptive and having increasingly turned to ad blocking for a variety of reasons. When software is used to do the purchasing, it is known as programmatic advertising. Online advertising includes email marketing, search engine marketing, social media marketing, etc. Many types of display advertising, including web banner advertising and mobile advertising.
My topic is features of online advertisements. The first point is homing in. The ability of the web ads to home in on the right target audience makes them a critical tool in the hands of advertisers. Second point is value for money. There is more net ad campaigns are typically less expensive as well as easier and faster to produce than television advertising. The third point is flexibility advantage. The flexibility of using ads on the net enable advertisers to cost effectively launch ad campaigns at short notice in response to specific needs. The fourth point is better feedback. A negative or a positive feedback can help the advertisement to build the structure. The last point is the techies do it best. Not surprisingly, it is the net technology companies that have best understood web advertising. The second topic I am going to explain is revenue models. The first point is CPM. CPM means cost per milli, also called as cost per thousand. CPT is where advertisers pay for exposure of their message to a specific audience per mile, means per thousand impressions or loads of an advertisement. Second point is CPV, cost per visitor or cost per view in the case of pop-ups and unders, is where advertisers pay for the delivery of a target visitors to the advertiser's website. The third point is CPC, which means cost per click, is also known as pay per click. Advertisers pay each time a user click on their listing and is redirected to their websites. They do not actually pay for the listing but only when the listing is clicked on. The last point is CPA, which means cost per action. Advertising is in this business is like a payment scheme. The publisher takes all the risk of running the ad and advertisers pay only the amount of users who complete a transaction such as purchase or sign up.
Types of online advertising. There are many different types of online advertising. First one is display advertising. Display advertising is a type of online paid advertising typically using images and text. The most popular forms of display ads are banners, landing pages, and pop-ups. Display ads are differ from other ads because they do not show up search results. Most commonly, display ads are found on websites and blogs to redirect users' attentions to the company's product. Working together with remarketing, display ads can have great success. My second point is search engine marketing and optimization. Search engine marketing and optimization are two types of online advertising that promote content and increase visibility through searches. Search engine marketing, instead of paying for the actual ad, advertising pay each time users click on the ad to their website. Businesses benefited by gaining specific information about their market. Search engine optimization. To gain a higher rank in search engine results, advertisers use various SEO tactics such as linking, targeting keywords, and meta descriptions, and creating high level content that other sites link to. The third point is social media. There's no doubt that social media advertising just keeps growing and growing each year. The two types of social media online advertising are organic and paid. Organic advertising, an online word of mouth technique, and paid advertising, placing paid ads, promoted posts, or sponsored stories, are a popular way to reach more of the demographic company without paying a bundle. Fourth point is native advertising. Have you ever noticed those sponsors at the bottom of blog or FB post? They can be other recommended readings or other people liked, which suggested example for users to click on. This is native advertising. Fifth point is pay per click. Pay per clicks ads explain their concept right in the name. These are ads that advertisers only pay for when a users click on them, which contributes to strength of PPC as a tool. If the ad was seen by 100 people and only one person click on the ad, the cost of the ad revolves around one who clicked. Sixth point is remarketing. Remarketing is a type of online advertising that does exactly what it says it does. The cookie based technology literally follows the users around the internet in order to remarket him or her again. Seventh point is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a promoting a company's product while earning a commission for each sale that was made. It's essentially a three-party advertising agreement between the advertiser, publisher, and consumer. It's widely adopted with bloggers who have large number of followers and are looking to gain passive income. 8th point is videos ads. Video ads are growing in popularity, especially with younger generation of consumer, with YouTube being the numbers of platform for videos. They have already implemented video ads strategy for their users. Using the PPC method, businesses only pay when someone engages with an ad.
The advantages of online advertising are as follows. You can easily test the market, the ad campaign is less expensive, the ad works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You can change your online ad much more easily than you can change ads in other media. Your customer can see your ad, shop and buy if you sell your goods online, all without leaving home. You can target your audience effectively. The ability to set daily spend limits, the ability to track, test, and evaluate the effectiveness of campaigns compared to other media, the ability to run multiple campaigns, easy to implement and easy to withdraw. The next is disadvantages of online advertising. Users don't know if they actually get what they pay for, don't know if they can trust the visitor and traffic profile online media owners and publishers claim their sites have the feeling there is a lot of click fraud. Don't know if their ads appear in the sites and sections where they should appear. Surfers who are on the net for a specific purpose may ignore your ads. Surfers may notice your ads but choose not to click. Low net penetration of your target markets. This will push up cost per contact. There is a limited media choice as not all Indian sites maintain user databases. There is an absence of sufficient research on the effectiveness of web ads. The web is highly competitive environment and it's easy to get lost. Poorly managed campaigns can be expensive and ineffective.
Strategies for online advertising. First, understand what people are searching for. Next, be specific with your keywords. For example, instead of using the keywords tennis, use by tennis target. Next, send the people to the exact page that you are talking about rather than sending them to the home page. Next, by this the firm can reduce the cost by converting more click into sales, which in turn increase the effectiveness of the ads. Thank you.